Hey guys, I planted some garlic, and before that big frost we had in, I think it was January, December, and it started coming up, and then at frost I covered it up, and I'll show you a picture here somewhere where I covered it with plastic, and they all died back. I hope they come back, but I'm going to show you the ones that I didn't cover up and how they turned out, as well as my collard greens and what is that? Brussels sprouts. So let me show you. Okay, this is the bed that I planted all of my garlic in, and nothing, and I mean nothing, survived. And it's a whole bed full of garlic. Mostly on this side here, they had popped up. I don't see anything. I probably shouldn't have covered the garlic. I did cover this, and all of this survived when I covered it. Even the shallots that I have planted in here, none of them died back at all. So I'm not sure why my garlic didn't survive, but it did not. So we have the Brussels. I'm eating that one. Don't know what, but they're not doing anything that I can see. They just have the leaves, but no Brussels start. And the Brussels start, oh well, yes we do. I see them. We do have some now. Let me zoom y'all in. They're very small, but we do have them right there. Well, my hand's ashy, but we do have them. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is cut the bottom leaves back so that the Brussels can produce, because that's what I've seen. All of them don't have them. That doesn't have any. Nor does that one. That one does have a few. You see it? That's a Brussels forming. Look how my hand's ashy. That one as well. And I don't know if those two, I'm not going all the way over there. I don't feel like bending over. But those are collard greens, along with my shallots. And then I planted some more. And I don't know if those are onions or garlic, but it's one of the two. And then I have some here. I planted some in this one. Did not cover these, and they are fine. I mean, every last one of them in here are fine. So, and then I had some in here that came up, as you can see. That's a little piece of one. I think it was a few in there, and they all died back. So I may just have this garlic, and I think I put some in here. This looks like garlic and not onions. That's an onion, but the rest of it, that looks like garlic. So I'm have some garlic in here and there if it doesn't come back up. So that's all I will have. Didn't put anywhere else, I don't believe. Can't remember, but I'm going to put the other video in front of this one. But yeah, that's garlic. And that's it. I have some that popped up from last year, onions and garlic, that I'm going to keep. We have some there. These are all onions. I don't know what they're really going to do, but I left them. So hopefully they do something. They came back over winter. So this will be their second year. So maybe they'll get a big old bulb. That's out the ground. So let's push it back down a little bit. And that. And then we have a bunch in this bed as well. These are white. That one had red onions. Then my spinach that I planted, but it's not doing anything. They're small. It's cold, so I don't know if that's the reason why. And then my leeks from last year, I'm going to pull some of it up and cook, especially this one. This one has gotten really big. So, and more spinach in this bed. Got a bunch of spinach. It's doing absolutely nothing at all. But I got a bunch. A bunch has popped up. So hopefully it starts to take off. And I need to weed, which I'll do tomorrow because it's supposed to be warm. And then I have cabbage in this bed and wild strawberries. I thought they were not wild, but they are. And I put them in my green stock. We'll see what they do. But yeah, that's cabbage. And then this, you can tell it's garlic because it's flat. The blade on it is flat and not round like onion. Like that is, no, that's a garlic. So all of these are garlic that got left in the ground from last year. So we have that and some more cabbage, but they haven't started forming heads yet. And hopefully with the garlic in here, get left alone. And got a bunch of flowers that's popping up from last year from all those zinnias and more cabbage. And I stuck a piece of rosemary in here. And then this is from last year. It lasts all summer, then boat. And still going strong. Still cutting off of these cards here and then one in the other bed. So, and that's it. Oh, let me show you guys the freeze got them, my broccoli. But I do have some. I have this one and it still looks good. It also has side shoots, as you can see. I'm trying to let you see. There you go. It has side shoots on it and that little small head. This one in the center, that's what, when it got cold, frost got it, but I left it and it has this small one and a whole bunch of side shoots. So I'm going to eat those. And then this is my cabbage and it has started forming a little small head on it. Small, but hopefully I'll get one. So I just have these two cabbages and more broccoli that did the same thing. The frost got it, but then it started doing a bunch of side shoots. So I'm going to eat those and pour those off as well. But you can eat those. And my dino kale that I'm using for juicing. And then this one did the same thing. It died off in the center. I left it and now it's doing a bunch of side shoots. And as long as it don't get warm to keep going. Yesterday I gave it some blood meal. So, or bone meal, one of them. Whichever one is nitrogen. So it should be growing. So that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I haven't been posting as much. It's tax season. I'm always busy with work. One thing to another. But anywho. But thank you guys for stopping by my station. My channel. Hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Keep looking at the wrong place because this is my phone and not my camera. All right, bye.